Safety. A major winter storm will impact parts of southeast South Carolina and southeastern Georgia with freezing rain, snow, and sleet, Tuesday into Wednesday. Now is the time to complete preparations before the storm arrives and disrupts travel and power. Your preparation will help you mitigate the disruptions caused by the storm and could help you to survive. If possible, you should avoid travel due to
they might
roads could become
cancel
even
school.
Impassable. Area bridges may be shut down. If you must drive, assemble and carry an automobile survival kit with such items as extra warm clothes, a thick blanket, a flashlight, battery-powered radio, extra batteries, water, medications, and a first aid kit, sand or road salt, a shovel, and a tow chain or rope. If possible, carry a charged cell phone. If you must venture outside on foot during the storm, dress warmly and use caution as paved walking surfaces such as sidewalks and parking lots will be snow, flash, ice covered and slick. Your best course of action is to seek or remain in a heated, well-constructed building such as your home or a storm shelter operated by local authorities. At home, prepare for a period of power outages and restricted travel.
Oh boy.
You should stock up on such items as water, non-perishable food, flashlights, batteries, a battery-operated radio, pet food, and necessary medications. Be sure cell phones are charged before the onset of winter precipitation. During the storm, authorities may open heated shelters. If necessary, prepare to relocate to a nearby warm shelter before the winter storm and cold air arrive. You can find additional information regarding winter weather preparedness, including automobile and home survival kits, at www.nationalweatherservice.noaa.gov/winter/index.shtml, www.federalemergencymanagement.
Leon's coming this way, Dad.
www.redcross.org.
Yeah, they just named it, and we are in the path of this thing. Oh my gosh. They're probably on the Weather Channel right now.
For the Santee River near Jamestown, minor flooding is occurring, with the stage of 13.0 feet measured at 8 a.m. Monday. For the Eddistill River near Givans Ferry, the latest stage is 6.6 feet at 8 a.m. Monday. Unless otherwise noted, river flooding not expected. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards for the latest updates.
When they issue this, 412? Here is our winter storm warning.
The recreational forecast for Lake Moultrie. Tonight, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming north 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Tuesday, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots. Tuesday night, north winds around 15 knots. Wednesday, north winds around 15 knots. Wednesday night, northeast winds around 10 knots. Unless otherwise noted, waves...
I don't know that maybe that ain't registering with their party. So the last thing I need is to be bugged about more money. If you want more money, right there's another $4,000.
Whoa! What, this? Yeah. Oh my gosh. That was weird. Let me try this one.
Fear to 31 north. For tonight, west to southwest winds 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to variable 15